Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about how to store breast pump parts safely after cleaning. Many mothers focus on washing the pump properly, but storage is just as important to maintain hygiene and keep everything ready for the next use. After washing the pump parts, the first step is to let them air dry completely. Place them on a clean, dry surface where there is good airflow. Proper drying helps prevent moisture buildup, which can affect cleanliness. It is best to avoid using cloths that may not be fully clean, as this can transfer germs back onto the parts. Make sure every part is completely dry before storing. Even a small amount of moisture can lead to hygiene issues over time. Taking a little extra time at this step can make a big difference. Once the parts are fully dry, store them in a clean and covered container. This helps protect them from dust and keeps them safe until the next use. Using a dedicated container only for pump parts can make your routine more organized. It is also helpful to keep your storage area clean and clutter-free. When everything has a fixed place, it becomes easier to manage daily use and saves time, especially when you need the pump quickly. Avoid storing pump parts in damp or closed spaces where air cannot circulate. A dry and well-ventilated space is always a better choice for maintaining hygiene. Before using the pump again, take a quick moment to check all parts. Make sure they are clean, dry, and properly assembled. This small habit helps avoid any issues during pumping and gives you peace of mind. Some mothers also prefer to keep the parts assembled after drying so they are ready to use. Others store them separately. Both methods are fine as long as cleanliness is maintained. Taking care of storage may seem like a small step, but it plays a very important role in keeping your pumping routine safe and smooth. With a simple and consistent routine, storing pump parts becomes easy and stress-free, and you can focus more on your baby and daily activities. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.